AZ from AZ Coding. Today I'm going to show you how to save data in database in C Sharp using Windows Form. Okay, so let's start. First, open Visual Studio 2013 and we'll go to New Project. Select Windows Form, name it anything you like. I'm just giving it default name. Press on OK, and here it is. Our window form is now created. Now go to View, Toolbox, and drag some label into it. We will add three labels: first, second, and third. We'll name these labels as first. I will name it as name. Okay, and second label I will name it as class, and here class, and the third one we will name it as enroll. Okay, now we'll take three text boxes from where we can add data. Text box for name, text box for class, and text box for enrollment. Also we'll take one button which we'll use to store our data. Here it is, it's button. Here it is, our button. Okay, go to properties and name it as submit. Okay, now our form has been created. Now we'll have to add database. We have to go to Solution Explorer from View. Here, open Solution Explorer and add a new item. Here, new item. Go to Data, add Service Database, and press on Edge. Okay, here it is. Our database is been created. Go to Database and go to Table. Right click on Table and add New Table. Okay, now we will add name into table name. Give it data type as varchar. Okay, class also will give it as varchar value. Enrollment, our enrollment should be in integer. Okay, also we have to give a name to our table. I'm going to give it this table name as student. Okay, this has been done. Now also the important part is we should auto increment our id, but for that we will go to id's properties. Here, identity specification, we'll go to here and his identity should be true. Okay, and now we will update our table. Here we go, our table has been successfully updated. Now we'll go to the code. Double click on submit button. Here we have to use a library. We'll using system.data.sql client. We'll add this library and then we'll make a object. We make an object of SQL connection. We'll using an object name as sc new SQL connection. Okay. Here we will add the path of the database where it is storing. We have to go to Explorer, double click on database. On database, go to database properties, and here the connection string. Click on this connection string and press Ctrl A. We have to select all this connection string, copy it, and paste it over here. Now also we have to remove two inverted commas. First inverted commas is this, and then go. Remove this inverted commas. Okay, and at the start of this string we'll add at the rate. Okay, now our SQL connection object has been made. Now the next object we'll make is SQL command. SQL command sm equal to new SQL command sc dot open. We will open our connection and also we will close it. Oh, sorry, close it. Okay. Now in SQL command we will add a command. We will inserting a data, so we will write insert into table's name, that is student, values, and bracket. In values we will add our name, class, enrollment from our text boxes, where we're taking our values from the text boxes in the form 1. So we will go inverted commas, column, apostrophe, add text box 1 dot text. Okay. Comma, add another one, plus plus text box 2 dot text. Okay, now the last one we will add plus text box 3 dot text. Okay, now comma, we'll also use the object of our connections, SQL connection over here, that is sc. Okay, got it. Now also the important part is that for our string we have to add two apostrophes at the start of this and the end of this. Then we using two inverted commas for our integer values and also the apostrophe for string value. Our first value is name, that is in string. Second is class, that is also in string. And the last one is enrollment, that is in integer. Alright guys, now we will execute our query over here and write it sm execute non-query and bracket. Okay, always select execute non-query. Now for the last thing I'm going to add is message box dot show, in which I'm going to write it that our data has been data saved successfully. Okay. Now our database storing code has been completed. We'll run it, check it. Let's do it. Start. Here we go. This is our form. We'll add name Ahmed, let's suppose, and class BS, bachelor's, that is, and our enrollment should be 32. Now press on submit and see. Here it is, data saved successfully. And if you want to say check that whether your data is saved or not, go to Solution Explorer, go to database, go to table. This is student. Right click on student, click on show table data, and here we go, our data has been successfully stored. So here guys, this is this is I make my video for storing our data into database in Windows Forms in C# language. Hope you guys like it. This is my first video, so please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share it, and ring the bell icon for the latest videos updates. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you soon.